Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Jada.
And we're here at
Big Cypress Lodge.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Big Cypress Lodge, right behind me, the giant pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee. So in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys what's inside. Spoiler alert, it's a Bass Pro Shop that's inside this massive building. We'll give you a tour of that. Our room, we're staying in the interior balcony room. It's a double queen bed. And then show you guys some of the amenities, on-site dining, and so much more that this place has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys Big Cypress Lodge. Welcome to our room 364. All right, as soon as you enter, we got a welcome amenity basket right here. And then right on the entrance side, you got your bathroom. Double sink, full mirror on this. Entire rustic feel all around. And then you also got a jacuzzi on the corner here. It's got a glass overlooking the bedroom. And then you got your standing shower. Off to the corner here is your toilet. Got a little light on there. It's really dark in here. To give you guys an idea, I got my light on. But yeah, very dim lit environment, which gives it the vibe and feel that you're looking for when you're staying here. They got the holiday decorations going already. I wonder if they have one in each room. Now this is the interior balcony room with a double queen. They do have suites here, but we wanted this balcony, and we'll show you momentarily exactly why we wanted this specific room, even though it's a little smaller, but it's well worth it. But this is the double queen, as you can see. And then in the center, you have your end table with your phone, your pen, your lamp. Some, of course, decor, because this is all about the Bass Pro Shop. So you got the deer head. Now, to mention the ceiling, massive high ceilings with that chandelier that matches. And then we'll pan over this way. You got your TV, your fireplace in this one, right in the middle. Your coffee maker inside here. You got mirrors all around, so it looks a lot larger. And then your mini fridge. And then your closet probably on this side. Yeah, so your safe is in here, your robes, just a lot of closet space, your iron on top. And then a little table on the corner here with another lamp. And then a little seat on the corner here as well. Now for my favorite part, let's open this up. This is your interior balcony. This is so cool. And we're inside the middle at the Bass Pro Shop. Oh, they also have a screen on these balconies. So you can see the entire Bass Pro Shop from here. And then you got your elevator that takes you to the top. We're also going to check that out later. So cool. And then yeah, just a nice little hangout spot inside here. So yeah, this is the interior balcony room at the Big Cypress Lodge. Let's see what else this place has to offer. As you exit the room, on the same floor is the den, a lobby bar and lounge. Designed to look like a grand hunting lodge, this area features a service bar, fireplace, cozy setting, and the best part is the view. As you look out, it's right above the swamp environment right below. We'll check all of that out later. In this area, you'll also find daily events and activities like family movie night or game night. If all else fails, you can also check out games at the front desk and take it to your room. There's more to do on the third floor, like the Mississippi Terrace Bar. Here you'll find a bar that opens up at night. Plenty of lounging chair and fire pits. They sell s'mores kits also that you can purchase and take advantage of. At the den, this is also where you can find the breakfast buffet. Keep in mind, there is an extra charge for this that can be purchased at the front desk. Since we're on dining, on the main floor of the pyramid, you'll find the world's only Wahlburgers Wild. Connected to it is the fishbowl. An underwater themed bowling adventure, fun for the entire family. Let's just get to the main attraction, the 535,000 square foot Bass Pro Shops, offering you a retail experience like no other. Once you're on top, you have the observation deck and also the restaurant, The Lookout. All right, folks, we are on top of The Lookout. It's actually higher than I thought it would be. It didn't look that high from the inside, but it's pretty up here. Now, if you're a hotel guest, they'll give you these golden bands that allow you to come upstairs on this lookout as many times as you'd like, and you can bypass the entire line. They actually have two sides of the pyramid you can look out from. The last set of amenities that we feature is the hotel offers a fitness center, a business center, and valet parking up front. Well, there you folks have it, Big Cypress Lodge in Memphis, Tennessee. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.